Download and open the BorrowBox app. Click on Library and search for Cockburn Libraries. Select Cockburn Libraries. Enter your library card number in the barcode box, which can be found on the back of your library card. Then enter your password or PIN that you created when you signed up for a library card. If you don't know your password, you can reset it on our website or by calling us. After you have entered your password, please press the Sign In button. Select I agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Enter your email address in the email box. You may also enter a display name if you wish, but it is optional. If you wish to receive our newsletter, click the button next to Library Newsletter. You can also subscribe to email updates from BorrowBox, but this is also optional. Press Done to continue. Press Next to view the BorrowBox tips, or select Skip to continue past them. The tabs at the bottom of the screen allow you to browse ebooks and e-audiobooks and to search for titles. To borrow a book, click on the title and press the green Borrow button at the bottom of the screen. You can now read or listen to your book. Please see our website if you have any further inquiries.